Yeah. Just about sunset here.
There's your friend.
He's like, there might be.
Like, is it dinner time yet?
There might be drunk people.
Food.
Are y'all gonna get to it or what?
I'm fucking hungry.
Yeah, looks like we got some extra firewood over here too. We got lots of wood. Goodness me. Won't be any issue with keeping the fire going tonight. Doing a nice time lapse of the sunset here. Nice little time lapse of the lake. And then when it gets dark, we'll do a nice time lapse of the stars. Which is, I'm going to use this camera, for that, because it's got a trail, star trail thing. That'll be cool. Yeah, obviously they're doing some squatching, trying to get that Sasquatch.